Hey, what's up YouTube? Hi, this video we're going to cut an HU66 key to a Volkswagen Beetle. And first thing we'll do here is we'll go to cars and go down to Volkswagen Beetle and 98 to 2020. And we got the code here. It's 1053. So we'll go ahead and just hit code and then we'll type it in. 1053, little magnifying glass. And there's our code and bidding right there. So we'll go and we'll select that. And telling us B-jaw shoulder stop key. So perfect. So go ahead and we'll shoulder stop it here. Show you that here. So the key's got the shoulder. We're just going to drop it in, slide it up till it stops on the shoulder. Perfect. And then over here we'll go to cut. And let's see here, let's kick the speed up. Let's go to 8, and we're going to do a 2mm cutter, 3 passes, cut, and just make sure we got 2mm cutter, and we do. So we'll go ahead and we'll start the process here. We'll cut the first side, and we'll flip it over and cut the other side. All right, side one here, go ahead and get the chips off of it. And flip it over. And shoulder stop it here, slide it up to the shoulder. Tighten it down, jump back over to the app here, cut, and cut, 2mm cutter. And we'll cut side 2, and then we'll test it out here, make sure it works. Alright, side 2 here, go ahead and get it cleaned off. And there's our Beetle door lock right here. And make sure key works here. And perfect. So there's an HU66 Volkswagen key cut on the Black Widow key machine. And I will also throw this video in the Black Widow playlist on my channel. And I don't have anything else to add on this one. If you guys have any questions or comments, put them in the comments. And until next time, we'll talk to everybody later.